So your first time here?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Welcome.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're at our honeymoon at Hammock Cove in Antigua. Cue music. Okay, you ready? I want to go in. Let's go. Let's go. We're number 4. Villa number 4.
All COVID clean.
All COVID clean. Whew. Ready? Ta-da! Step out, babe. Oh my god, look at the bed. Look at the bed. They made some special flowers. They left a cute honeymoon note. Zoom in, Brad. Zoom in. How cute. So, ta-da! This is our room. Show them the TV and then pan around, babe. We'll show the closet later.
A chair.
A chair. Probably gonna just put stuff on there, but you know. A nice footbed.
Footbed.
Whatever this thing is. Ottoman. Foot ottoman. Isn't that what it's called?
I don't know what it's called when it's at the end of the bed besides a bench.
And bench and bed and bench. That's a lot going on. Here's our telephone. We get this cute little cell phone to call our ambassador. He just called to confirm our dinner reservations. How cute.
So we have a regular phone over here as well, but we also have a cell phone that we can use wherever we're at and contact our ambassador.
Yep.
And the staff. So
Yeah.
it's a very cool touch.
We have one day ambassador and one night ambassador, so they really kind of are your go-to person for anything and everything.
Got some books over here.
Yeah, I got some books. Actually, may end up
read.
reading this one. I have not read that one, so. Oh, Sydney Sheldon. And there's some snackies, and then this like nifty little thing with some coffee and tea. What is this? Ooh, you're gonna want this. This is espresso roast.
Nice.
So, gosh.
Water, glasses,
Water,
Keurig.
glasses.
This is my old fashioned that I got at the bar, of course. First drink on the island.
It's
to be.
lovely.
It's quite nice.
Let's keep going inside.
Now this so you've seen the room.
Yeah.
You've seen the room.
Bathroom.
The bathroom.
It's just as big.
The bathroom is not an afterthought.
No.
2 showers.
Here. Let me put a scale on this. I could do jumping jacks. Freely, and it'd be just fine. So that's cool. Giant shower head is as big as my head. All the cute necessities, like a sewing kit that you may need. What else? I didn't even open. Oh, hair dryer. Oh. That is such a cool concept. America, take a lesson.
Yeah, America, take note.
Right? Genius. Vanity. Toilet. And we have the closet. the safe and the ironing board. A real ironing board for bread.
Yep.
2 umbrellas. Oh, you notice umbrellas?
Yep.
2 umbrellas.
2 big umbrellas.
Yeah, 2 big umbrellas. Cool. Oh, I think you pull. All right.
Here's the big reveal.
Hope you guys are ready.
It might be locked.
Well, that was fun. Ta-da! This was all I wanted. My one special request. My one special request. We have some nice chairs. We have an egg chair. There's a lot of chirpiness going in the back. Oh, look at them. And look at the view. Can't get enough. And how cute are those little pots? Now we get our own.
And
We have another dining table. But then
our bar.
our bar. So we have
There's some wine over
some
here.
wine.
Got some Antigua rum, some Bombay gin, some Patron, some Dewar Scotch. We got glasses over here. Down here we've got some beer and some water and some cola.
See, there's champagne in there too.
Is there?
And orange juice. All I need, really. But that's our tour. Okay, bye.